The Pharmaceutical Importers Association has called on the National Assembly Select Committee on Health, Refugee, Disaster and Humanitarian Relief to consider allowing the importation of pharmaceutical products from Turkey under specific conditions. The proposal seeks to introduce translated leaflets and stickers labels to ensure Gambians can easily understand the instructions. Awasani reports.
During a consultation meeting held on Monday with the Select Committee on Health, stakeholders discussed the hurdles in the importation of pharmaceutical into the Gambia. The session, which included representatives from the Ministry of Health, the Medical Research Council, and the Pharmaceutical Importers Association, explored solutions to drug importation issues. Mahawan Jai, Public Relations Officer for the Pharmaceutical Importers Association, proposed that Turkey's products be allowed into the country, provided they include English versions of leaflets and stickers with the generic names of the drugs to aid Gambians in clearly understanding the instructions. Njai further highlighted the challenge relating to packaging regulations, particularly the difficulty importers face when product labels do not include the manufacturer's name and the address. He noted that while products from stringent regulatory authority countries often feature this information in the leaflets rather than directly on the packaging, current regulations make this a barrier to importation.
Coming from SRA countries, most of them comes with the marketing authorization holder on the packet. However, the name and address of the manufacturer can be found inside the packet in the leaflet. But with the regulation, one cannot import, because if the name and address of the manufacturer and that of the marketing authorization holder is not on the packet, I am not allowed to bring it. But the name and address of the marketing authorization holder can be found on the packet, and the name and address of the manufacturer can equally be found in the leaflet. So we are appealing, if this committee will consider accepting products whose name and address of the manufacturer can be traced through this leaflet and the marketing authorization holder on this packet. This I would wish to forward to the chairman of this committee for reference. Thank you. And the other challenges that we are facing as far as our problem is concerned is we have a problem for products that we are importing from India. We all know MCA has done an excellent work when it comes to pre-shipment analysis. We must congratulate that. Any product that comes from...
He appealed to the committee to allow the importation of products that carry the manufacturer's details in the leaflets, even if only the marketing authorization holder's information is listed on the packaging. Despite these concerns, Njai commended the Medicines Control Agency's pre-shipment checks for products from India, Pakistan and China, ensuring quality control before the drugs are certified for export to the Gambia.
Sometimes some of our big importers do face challenges, and these challenges are mismatch of address. What I want to say is, before a product is imported into the Gambia that comes from India, the first thing that needs to be done is the registration of the product in the Gambia, which all of us are doing. Anybody importing from India in the Gambia is registering your products. When this product is registered in the Gambia, then the product, before they are shipped into the Gambia, they will pass through control. Control will do pre-shipment analysis. They will do GMP inspection. They will take samples and test them to make sure these are of good quality. But the problems that we are facing...
The Pharmaceutical Importers Association of the Gambia represents the interest of the pharmaceutical importers in the country. They work to address challenges related to importing medicines and ensure that the regulatory environment supports the availability of quality medical products. For Star TV News, this is Awasani.